Hello guys, good morning. I hope you have a good time. And this motion I turn to telling you about something. All things about Adobe Animate. And the first time, the Adobe Animate is program created for making a motion or cartoon motion with picture, or making motion with any picture, or making GIF or moving picture. So you can making it with two way or two step. So the first step, you can making an under or on the Adobe Animate program. You can getting any picture and converting to smart object. So then when you convert it to the smart object, the program was be selecting the all object or all subject of this picture to making a motion for any subject. For example, if you have a car and fan and bird in one picture, when you converted this picture to smart object, then the program will be selecting the all object, the bird and car and fan, to making a motion. Or you can, for example, making a rotate for the fan, and moving the car and making the bird is flying. So the second step or second way, you need to Adobe Photoshop to making any design or any style or any motion or any picture, to editing it in Adobe Animate. So for example, you making any picture with Adobe Photoshop, then you need to saving it as PSD file type. So a next step, you need to moving the saved PSD project to Adobe Animate, so you can, and there you can editing it free. Okay, so you need to Adobe Media Encoder to or for saving your project from Animate. Okay, for saving your project on Animate as a video motion or as GIF, because if you make it a project, okay, and you're going to save or exporting it, if you don't install the Adobe Media Encoder, the Adobe Animate will be automatically asking you to installing the Adobe Media Encoder. So this is just something I want to telling you about it. So next time and soon time, I will turn to you to making some design or making some project with Adobe Animate, because we need to finishing in fast time to going to a new program. So thanks for watching this video, and see you again and next time. Goodbye.